So you see me do that trend with this sparkling. I use those. Yung mga tira na yon. Ito yung mga tira. Ginamit ko. And kaya nagdikit. Double-sided tape ang ginamit ko. And itong double-sided tape ang lakas. Kaya get ready with me to take off my makeup. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Ow. God damn it. Oh my god, sparkle sunshines. Okay. Next, the bottom lip. Ow. Ow. It's so ouchy, guys. Okay. Sakit. Now, nagadikit-dikit na yung lips ko together. Lalo na yung eyes ko. Hirap lang sa eyes. Because namamagay yung eyes ko right now. Kasi nga, nakaraan, nabugbog to. Itong eye talaga yung may gold. May pasa pa nga to, guys. Wait lang, pakita ko. OMG, OMG. It's coming off. Ow. Nandiyan yung pasa ito. So ouchy. Next, other eye, i-rub natin to like hella. Okay, na-rub ko na. This is the one. Final look. No. Tatanggalin natin yung stickiness out of my face with my wipes. Kaya, oh. Okay, I'm done. This is the final reveal. Oh my god. Panoodin niyo yung this just took me 1 minute kasi nga wala akong pakialam sa face ko naman. Okay, bye guys. See you